Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and very good morning to you all. Today I'll take your revision class of SST class 2. So today we will revise lesson 10 which is directions. It is lesson 10 which is directions. As you know, as I have told you in class that we have 4 directions which are north, south, east and west. How many directions are there? There are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. Your right hand is left east and your left hand is west, and your front is north and your back is south. So just remember that there are 4 directions which are north, south, east and west. Okay. I'll just tell you the most important thing in this unit. Okay, the second thing is the sun always rises in the east. If you stand in front of sun, so it should be east. Okay, if you stand in front of sun, it would be the east. It would be your east. Okay, and sets in the west, and you should to know when sun gradually sets in the west. Okay, so then your north will be left and your south will be right. Okay, this is an instrument which shows direction. Okay, it is just like a clock. As you know, you have a clock at your homes, and on this clock it shows the numbers. But in this instrument, it is like also a clock, but in this instrument there is no need of numbers. There is only directions, and there is only a needle, only one needle. A clock has 2 needles or 3 needles, but this instrument, which is called the compass, it has only one needle. Okay. Okay, now we have the map of Pakistan. Okay, this is the map of Pakistan. This is the picture of Pakistan. Our Pakistan looks like this map. Okay, so there is also a 4 directions, which how many directions are there? 4 directions. One is north, south, east and west. Now you have told to me what is the which country is in the north of Pakistan. So it is China. What is in the south of Pakistan? So it is Arabian Sea. Got it? What is in the west of Pakistan? So it is Afghanistan. And what is in the east of Pakistan? It is India. Got it? So it's our lesson 10. Okay. Now we will revise again. It is also your activity in your copy. So if you have an activity in your exam, so what you will do, you will be write first of all direction on the top of your page, and then you will draw 4 directions, and then you will write north, south, east and west. This is your activity. Got it? Now we will revise our questions of lesson 10. So our question number 1 is, where does the sun always rise? The sun always rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The keyword is east. What is the keyword? The sun. You will take the answer, the sun always rises. You will be add s at the end of rise, so it will become the sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. Okay, E-A-S-T, east. Okay, our second question is, what is the name of the tool we use to show directions? The compass is a tool we use to show the directions. You will take the answer from your question. You will just add the compass. The compass is a tool we use to show the directions. बाकी का आंसर आपके क्वेश्चन में ही ऐड है. ठीक है. You will take your answer from your question. Got it? Okay, our question number 3 is, which country is to the west of Pakistan? So we have two countries in the west of Pakistan, but we will just write Iran. Okay, one is Iran and one is Afghanistan. So we will just write Iran. Got it? Iran is to the west of Pakistan. Which country is to the west of Pakistan? Iran is to the west of Pakistan. Iran, Iran, Iran. Iran is to the west of Pakistan. Got it? So now we will read the keywords. So we have three keywords. East, E-A-S-T, East. Read with me. E-A-S-T, East. I-R-A-N, Iran. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. Okay, we have three keywords in these three questions. One is East, E-A-S-T, East. I-R-A-N, Iran. C-O-M, P-A-S-S, compass. Got it? Okay, dear students, now we have the question number 5, which is match the column. So there are we have three words which we have matched with the column B. Okay, so first one is directions, second one is China, and third word is sunset. In column B we have first west, second is for, and third is north of Pakistan. So the first word is directions. So how many directions we have? We have 4 directions. So we will match directions with 4. Okay. Now, China. China is in the west of Pakistan? No. It will be not matched with the west. China will be matched with the north of Pakistan, because we have read that China is in the north of Pakistan. So we will match these two words. Okay, now we know that sunset is always in the west. So we will join these two words. So these are our match the columns. Dear students, we have 3 questions and one match the column and one is activity in our lesson directions. Okay, it's a lesson number 10. Got it? So you will revise this at your homes and try to write it again and again, because of no spelling mistake should be in your paper. Got it?